Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to online classes again. This is your English class and today I'm going to teach you a topic from the book Understand and Communicate book 1. So here is the book and I'm going to open this book on the page number 235 where we have a vocabulary topic, and that topic is one word for many on page number 35 to 35. So today I'm going to teach you this topic. So the statement of this exercise is rewrite each sentence, replacing the words in bold print with a word similar in meaning. Now what we have to do, we have to replace these bold printed words with that word which is similar in its meaning. And this first example is done over here. John cannot make up his mind which shirt to buy. This is the statement. Now we have replaced this bold printed with this word decide. John cannot decide which shirt to buy. So now let's start our exercise. So the very first statement is the little boy is often seen without his clothes on. Now its answer is the little boy is often seen naked. Naked, naked. We have replaced this with this word naked. You must handle the glass with care as it is very delicate and breaks easily. Now, you must handle the glass with care as it is pretty and breakable. So we have replaced bold printed words with these two words. And after that, you have to rewrite this sentence too. The third is Sam will accompany his wife's brother to the railway station. Now, Sam will accompany his brother-in-law to the railway station. We are going to replace it with brother-in-law. The man who controls the match is buoyed by the crowd for disallowing the goal. So we are replacing this. The referee is buoyed by the crowd for disallowing the goal. The cloth is such that it can be seen through. The cloth is transparent. We visited the place where fish are kept on Sunday. We visited the aquarium on Sunday because aquarium is the place where the fishes are kept. So you have to rewrite this sentence like they have given the example just above this exercise. He was caught driving very fast along High Street. He was caught speedily along High Street.